Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and today is a very special day, family. Today is a very special day. Today is my traditional wedding day here in Kenya, family, and I just want to make this video, guys, to drop some information about traditional bombo. Why? I just want to make a video, family, about the traditional, wedding and stuff, and for people, for men, most likely men in the diaspora looking to come to get a wife and stuff. I just want to drop this. You want me? I just want to drop this this video for you guys, so you can actually learn and understand how the system work here and stuff. So guys, if you want to come, if you come in, you want to marry an African, I know in most African country there's a process you have to go through. It's not like the West where you can just get up and just marry to somebody. You don't know nothing about their family, you don't know nothing about them. For a man, getting a wife here, it's a process. You have to. It's a doorway process that family have to follow, and every tribe and every African country have the different ways of doing it. But it's the one system, the dowry system, that you have to actually pay a bride price, they call it, for the female that you're gonna take for your wife, and that's been going on forever and forever since creation, family. So as you know, we're deep into culture. I want to follow the culture. I want to follow what what they do here, and for me, I feel like it's a good thing, family. It's a very good thing, and I feel like if the West was like this, it wouldn't have all of these divorce and all of these problems into this divorce and stuff, and broken marriage and broken family and all kind of stuff. So I honestly feel like, this is actually bridge the gap, and for the foreigner that is coming, for every country it's different, and for me it's a bit different for me because I'll be living in Africa, so my process will be different from your process, and there's a lot of conversation about bride price and stuff, but it just depends on the family who you're dealing with. A lot of people make it sound like you're selling your daughter and stuff, but it's not like that. It's not like how they say. It's just maybe the family you're dealing with, and it depends on how the arrangement and stuff. So for me, it's a simple process. For me, I have to find a African dad and African mom to speak on my behalf and stuff. But I want to do this video, family, and walk you through the entire process, and you will learn more about it. Yes. Today's our big day. Big day today. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Eh? Oh, they already know. Okay. So where they driving?
Oh, the problem is Joyce.
You call her?
Oh, she comes with a matatu.
Yeah, well, I can arrange that. Well, call her and see if she can reach you.
Oh, she takes a motorbike
to come here. Yeah. Yay, family. So, as you know, today is our traditional, wedding. Just as you know, guys, I'm in the Kikuyu thing with the beads and the color and everything. Yes. So, she's all in full white. Show them your white. You're in white? You're in full white today, not true? You're in full white. So she's actually in full white today. I am in white. Wait until you see the bride. I wish she'll full white. Full white. Yes, family. Yay, family. So, you know, today is a traditional wedding. I want to take you along and show you how it works here in Kenya. Yay, family. So this is Jam Tours Africa. Yay, family. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and this morning today is our traditional wedding family. And as you know, with the dowry process, there's some things you have to bring. And this is a bale of unga, bale of chapati, some other little shopping and some sodas. It's gonna be like a small celebration. This is rice and oil and stuff. So this will be a part of the dowry process family. So you know what I mean, I just want to put this in the car and you know what I mean, and walk you guys through the process of doing a dowry. It's how much time you have to do something like this, like 1 time or 2 times?
No, dowry process doesn't finish.
It doesn't finish?
Process.
Yeah?
It's a continuing process, maybe like 5 times or so.
Like 5 times.
Mm.
So as I see guys, it's an ongoing process, and you know, yeah, so you have to do it like, it's like whenever you want to do it, or what? Or does
Yeah, whenever you want to do it, you're not hard.
So let's say I do it now.
If you feel like doing it, come in Saturday. If you feel like doing it the other
10
Saturday,
years.
yeah, it's up to you.
It's just up to you.
Mm.
Yeah, family. So this is like the first process but before you can do a white wedding, family, before you can do a government wedding, you have to do this first. You have to go for the first time. You have to do something like this, and then it can be your government wedding. As you know, I mean, I wish that it was only this alone you have to do, but because of man laws and not God laws, you have to do the government things, family. So this is I was gonna walk you through the process. It's the morning time. I'm gonna put this in the car, and then we'll come back to you and show the entire process. This is Jam Tours Africa. I'm out for now.
The baby at the front.
Yeah, family, we are back with this video. It's an informative video I just want to share with your family. And as you know, guys, you know, we're actually on our way to the traditional wedding. We're on our way to pick my dad, my African dad and African mom, and then Mary will be you should be home, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, family, so we're back again with this video. So as I was saying, guys, I want to take you through the process. So it's the morning time, and we're going at Mary homes to pick her from her home officially. And this is a traditional wedding. This is just the first. There's many you have to do, but depends on what you want.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I guess it's different if you're a foreigner maybe you're gonna take the girl and live outside. Maybe it's different, right? Because it's just a one time. But because I'll be living in Africa, then it's continuous. I'm not like an African, so it's a continuous thing, family. So it's the first one. I'm doing this one for the first time. I just want to take you through the process.
But also I told you they can exempt you because it's not like you know what we do.
Okay.
But now this one is good so that in case of a white wedding, at least now you have the blessing.
You have the go ahead.
But if you are an African, like let's say from here, or let me just say a Kenyan or something, now that one you have had to do all the steps.
All the steps.
But right
okay.
now you can just choose to do with this. If you like, you can still do another one, just like you're hearing. But you know you don't know the names. Like there is what we call Wotiniakiade.
What's that?
I don't know how to translate it nicely. That's deep Kikuyu. I'll have to like get the right.
Yeah, I've talked to some elders about that.
Yeah, but yeah, that's it.
Yeah, family. So it's the morning time, and we're actually heading to Maria's place and stuff. I have to pick my African dad and mom, and then we're gonna show you everything, family. But you know, with this proceeding, I'm just gonna do a small prayer. As you know, I don't really like to pray in English because English is just a new language. It's so young. I like the native language. So I'm going to say what I'm have to say in English, and then you say what you have to say in Kikuyu. And we bless this day and we move forward. So to the universe, to nature, to God, whatever, you know, we just want to give thanks for this day. you know, is you make it possible from the start. I was in Jamaica saying peace, love, and sunlight. Peace, love, and sunlight, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. So, as you know, from 2017, I've just been saying Africa, 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 Africa. So, it's not surprise for me to be here, building a family. And you as the creator, you as the universe, you know exactly what's in my mind, what's in my heart. And if I get certain opportunity, what I would do to develop the continent and what I'll do to give back to this community and wherever I am in Africa, you alone know. So we ask for the blessing, we ask for the guidance, we ask for protection, we ask for everything that is possible, because you alone know. You know my destiny, you know my heart, you know what I want to do. And you know, we ask for protection, we ask for anyone who's trying to harm the Jam Tours family. You know what I mean? You know, it cannot happen, it won't happen. And we ask for anyone who actually, you know, Jam Tours should come forward and pay up, way up and stay up. So this is a day that the nature has made and God has made, and we want to give thanks and gratitude for what He has given to us, so we can make this day possible. And for me to actually, you know what I mean, have what it takes to actually take, you know, the sister, to pay the sister bride price as we move forward in a union of love, prosperity, family. So I'm going to ask you to say your prayer in Kikuyu while we move on this journey and give our subscribers, you know what I mean, what it likes to have a traditional wedding in Kenya from the Kikuyu tribe.
It's like, we close our eyes.
Yeah, you should pray. You don't have to close your eyes to pray, sweetie.
Okay, Mureithi mwega, twagucokeria ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Twĩgũkenerera nĩ ũndũ wa mĩbango yothe nĩ ĩthiĩte wega, na hatirĩ ũndũ mũhĩtanu. Twahoya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ũtũtongorie, ũtũgitĩre, ũtũhe wendo na ũtũhe nginya rĩera rĩega. Thĩinĩ wa itũũra rĩa Jesũ Kristo twahoya na twacokia ngatho. Amen.
Amen, family. So, family, if you're first time you're watching this video, like, share, and subscribe to Jam Tours Africa. If you're looking for insight and want to actually come inside Africa, come build and develop and grow a family, you can link up with us and we'll guide you on the right path.
Before I get scolded, I'll be told I'm carrying Hamesh at the front.
Alright, family, I'm out. I think that's Joyce there.
Oh, she's in a skirt.
Family, so this is my dad home, my African dad. So we have to come here, and Mary have to go to her home while I'll go with my African dad.
Yeah.
Now, where is the shopping money talked about?
The shopping is this, and others are in the back seat, and these two bags. These two bags.
Take them out. Take them out. Yep.
Tradition.
You know each other. That's very good. Who is going to be bought today?
You are looking potable.
Who is on sale today? This is the cow who is on sale today.
On sale.
My God. Now, what are you going to do with this dress in the dark?
Let it get that. This one you sell many.
Many goats.
Many goats, many
Many goats.
many
Now,
Kenya shilling.
now, come on.
Yeah.
Now this young man is
He's straight to.
young. He could be many years older than you. Now this guy is Romesh.
Yes.
He comes from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
The bold man. So this is our neighbor down here. Come, Mama Kiara. Although I'm going to introduce this her Mama. Lendrare nyumba. Nitogo di nyumba. And When I told you about Jamaica, you said you want to go to Jamaica for holiday.
For holiday.
Now-
I
Yes.
told you that. Yeah, I want to come for vacation.
That is my first daughter, my firstborn daughter.
Oh,
And
okay.
this is the third born.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
You have met. And wants to go to Jamaica
I
for
want to come to
holiday.
Jamaica for holiday. I want to come for holiday. Nothing more. And
And I
want to
said,
come for
I'll
holiday.
connect you to
I
people
thought
who
I'll
know
be
about
connected
it.
to
That's the man.
Jamaica. I just want to come for vacation. Maybe a week. Enjoy myself and come back to Kenya.
And
Yes.
work with the ministry. She's in the government.
Hata hiyo ni short.
She can afford to go.
Yeah.
Right. Now,
Onesha
what are those?
is this part of the shopping? Chitikirehwo
Let them
kiondo.
go that way. Then when we get there, we are going to download so that we go down with them.
Ngoja wateka mtagikira kiondo-ini. Me today.
We'll do it there when we get there. So now let's
Beru
go
dia
in
Beru.
and talk. And we are late. You are not very good in timekeeping. Don't tell me stories. He will be coming to Kenya. So
Yes.
Thank you. Daddy, do you know Mozambique was also closed?
sorry.
The bypass itself. The
Oh.
bypass from Kikuyu.
To where?
It was closed all of it.
So where did you? How did you come make it?
We went, there were people directing us.
Sorry.
There were people who were directing people. So we were digging
No, that's the second time she's failing me in timekeeping. And one of my weak problems, very weak, I have many weaknesses, but one of them is getting unhappy when people are late. Most of us went to school those days. We just can't afford to be. We stayed 11, is now 1:45.
Wow.
Now, so we are late. We have to go. Now that's Ramesh. He is the fiancé.
Romesh.
Romesh. R-O-M-E-S-H. Romesh. What's your first name, Mom? Mary, Cecilia, and Anne.
Yes.
Now these are now your mothers.
Okay, okay.
That's
Yes.
why we are meeting here now. I'm the only dad.
Yes.
I'm a polygamist. Now, they will represent your mother.
Okay, okay.
Now, to brief you a bit, when we have an occasion like this, the parents of the man, me, the father, will talk to the men, our man's bargain.
Yes.
And this will talk to the ladies, the mothers' bargain.
Bargain. Okay, okay.
You
Okay.
get the point now?
Yes.
So these are going to represent you.
Okay, okay.
They are the ones selected by our mother, and we have agreed. Now, ladies, she has done all the shopping. I noticed from the car quickly. The sodas are there, so there is no more buying of sodas. The ungas and all the rest of them are in the car. So you are not going to shop, but you know, according to your tradition, you must carry in that bag. I think you need more than one bag. Jerry, give us another kiondo. She has done very heavy shopping, and she looks pretty. And we are going to sell her very expensively. Right, Ramesh, we agreed on cash.
Yes. Let me get it.
Yeah, bring it.
Yes.
We want to share it out here. All the shopping, which you could have done. She has arranged for outside catering,
Yeah, they're there.
and they're already there. So, how much do you need for the ladies? You have to speak English so that Ramesh can follow. Ile kilungeni mulisoma, sasa mtaizungumza leo. It's just what you give out to the mothers. The shopping is there, the ungas, the mafutas, and things like that. And the sodas are there. 4 crates of soda. I have counted already for you.
Yes, for the opener.
Yes, for the open.
Is that going to be for today?
Yes, because the sodas are ready.
Okay,
there.
fine. So,
They'll open.
and the wipers and the aunties. So how much in total?
That is just is sodas.
Yes. But you get your chifu more than Jamaica. It's only the sodas that you give them. No, not today. Not today. First day we cannot. Sorry?
Let us open, let us count open 1,000. The wiper, 1,000. Okay,
Okay, fine. Take 5,000. Let's see how you share it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Who is going to speak? Okay, who is going to speak between the 3 of you? Cecilia, you will it.
Cecilia,
Yeah. Decision made. So you cannot handle the money.
yes, that is what I
Take this.
yes.
You are the treasurer for the group. 5. So now, when she negotiates, she turns to you. Believe that?
We are going to
You sit together so that you can whisper to each other. It's a very funny market.
Yes.
No, icio ciokaga hindi ya guradio. So icio cia kinyari ui mutigetekere muge hindi iyo. Maundu maingi ni mukiuga riu ni gutwira ni gugoka tuguka kumanya mucii na nona ina. So hindi iyo ni tuguka ri ni tugeka ni tugeka. Because like we say, they are going to ask again to pray, ask for the blessings today, so that they can proceed with getting the marriage certificate. They will not do it before they have negotiated with the parents here, and they have been blessed by the parents to do that. Ramesh?
Yes.
So that's the way we are handling it today.
Yes.
Okay. Frankly, they could have done it. Penina and her family are not fussy about all this, but Ramesh feels that he would like to follow the custom. So that's what she's doing. And Mary, I'm sure she wants to see her mother also bless her. Good. So we are together on that. Okay. Right. Then here which starts Komenya Mushie and the rest of it. Sijui kama nitapata mzee mwingine kule. If I'm given another man, we shall see how to do it. But if I don't, then I have to play the game all alone. I'm the goalkeeper. I'm the attacker. I'm everything. And the ref, there will be a referee there. But I'll see how I can play my game. I have 45 here now. So I'll see how I play around and envelopes about that. I think that's it. Are we set? It is in the computer.
You know, I know you are.
So we are there. Yeah, so hiyo sidhani nitakwasika. Za wazee ni ngapi, za kufungua ni ngapi, ya mote na halika ni ngapi, ya roresho ni ngapi. I have to play my game and win the game with what I have. Right. Okay. Now, Ramesh, you don't do any talking at all. See?
Yes.
No talking. It's us to play the game for you. Mary, once we start the negotiations, you have to keep off. We don't want to see you in the negotiation room.
Oh.
You are not supposed to hear how much we bought you.
Oh.
So you get out.
Okay.
But once we get introduced and we eat together and all the introduction and the rest of it, a few people will be selected to go into the house.
So I won't
Not
enter.
everybody will go. You will not. Will not.
Okay.
But the man will.
Okay.
Right? So when we go in, he keeps quiet. But throughout, you do very little talking if you can. You're supposed to be seen to be a very disciplined person.
Yes.
Okay? So,
And you'll be sitting next to me.
yes. And so that if you misbehave, I step on your toe. Okay. Then we might need something to write on as well to make note of what we do. Yeah. So if we can possibly stop somewhere and buy a small notebook, that would be fine. What else? Remind me.
I know it and buy and sign more blessing.
Yeah.
One of them can
To make them a secretary. Your elder brother.
The brothers.
Your elder brother has to be there. The two brothers have to be in the house. They are all going to act for your parents. Okay. You know the little issues that daddy and so forth and on and on. We don't want to involve you in that one. That's not your business. And we want to involve you in the where things may not have gone very well, but we shall put them straight. What else do we do? So you do all the packing of these things when we get there, because some are in that car and the others are in my car. So these will go in their car and the four of us will go in my car. Sasa. Tuko pamoja.
Why close?
Rose, they had another occasion there. And she should have been here, but then Maderi had another. Because she walked like she's modeling. And now she is turned to be a model. You are on a high heel. Okay, can you do a little bit of modeling too for us? Walk to me. Catwalk.
Catwalk.
She's very good in catwalking.
Nice. Awesome.
You do your modeling to him.
Yeah.
Okay. Mister, you want to take and please you send me the photo, won't you?
Sure.
I don't know whether I'll get like that one.
But I'll be happy. When you want to visit, I'll be allowing you to visit.
Let me get another and then I see.
when you want to visit, you just tell me, I'm coming to visit.
Yay!
Are you joking?
Aye.
Yeah, family, so as you can see the settings, as you can see how it works, and it's my first time and I'm excited to see this because I'll have to do this someday. That's true. Someday I guess maybe when I get a daughter or something.
Yeah, by the way, now people, we'll go.
Yeah, we'll go.
No, they'll come.
Eh?
When we get a daughter, they'll come. For Hamesh, we're the ones who will.
Oh, we'll go, yeah.
We'll go.
Yeah. When I get a daughter now, I have to know the procedure, so I will know.
That side is a bit hilly.
That side?
Yeah, you take it from here. Our way is better. Or we took it from the bad side.
Okay, so it's better.
Okay.
Nothing is in the car, so I guess. Yeah, family, so that's the thing. I have to know this, so when I'm selling my daughter, because this tradition will go on and on and on forever and forever. Because this is the right way to do it, family. This is the right way. And we just want to show you how the process. I'm very excited to actually learn the process. So now, family, so now we're actually on the way to your home, right?
Yeah.
How are we gonna do when I get there? So I'm gonna reach there before them, or we should wait?
No, we will wait for them somewhere on the road of entering home so that we go all of us now.
Or they should go before us?
No, we'll go all of us.
Ah.
Because they're your parents.
Okay. Yeah, family, so I'm sure this video will actually, know, you can understand how it really works and stuff. So yeah, family, this is Jam Tours Africa. Subscribe to the channel. I am out for now while we continue this tradition. It's the ancestors, you know, thing, and we're gonna continue on it, family.